Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to Malaysia to uncover the secrets and unknown facts behind a beloved dish, Mie Goreng, the tantalizing Malaysian fried noodles. Prepare to be amazed. Mie Goreng, which means fried noodles in Malay, reflects Malaysia's rich cultural tapestry. The dish incorporates a fusion of Malay, Chinese, and Indian flavors, creating a symphony of tastes that will leave your taste buds dancing. The secret to incredible Mie Goreng is achieving wok hai, which is the breath of the wok. The intense heat and skillful wok tossing create that smoky, charred flavor that's the hallmark of this dish. Mie Goreng is an aromatic wonderland of spices. The blend of ingredients like chili, garlic, ginger, and more creates a symphony of flavors and a delightful kick that'll keep you coming back for more. Mie Goreng is not just a dish, it's a Malaysian street food icon. You'll find it being cooked to perfection at bustling food stalls and night markets all over Malaysia. It's the quintessential Malaysian comfort food. Mie Goreng isn't limited to just one version. You can find variations that cater to different tastes and regions. There's the classic Mie Goreng Mamak, Mie Goreng Sotong, and many more. Many Mie Goreng recipes include a delightful mix of proteins. From succulent seafood like prawns to crispy tofu, these additions take the dish to the next level. Mie Goreng isn't just a meal. It's a journey of flavors that takes your palate through a whirlwind of tastes and textures. It's a must-try for any food lover visiting Malaysia. Mie Goreng has a fascinating history dating back to the 19th century when Chinese immigrants brought their noodle-based dishes to Malaysia. Over time, it evolved into the delectable Mie Goreng we know and love today, representing the culinary blend that defines Malaysia. Mie Goreng isn't complete without an array of unique garnishes. From crispy shallots to crushed peanuts and fresh lime wedges, these toppings add layers of flavor and texture to the dish. For those who follow plant-based diets, there are vegan and vegetarian versions of Mie Goreng available, using tofu and vegetables as protein sources. It's a versatile dish that can accommodate various dietary preferences. Mie Goreng is not limited to Malaysia, it's popular in other Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia and Singapore. Each country puts its own unique twist on the dish, resulting in regional variations. Achieving the perfect balance of flavors is an art in Mie Goreng preparation. The dish combines sweet, salty, spicy, and tangy elements, and it's the chef's skill that ensures these flavors harmonize perfectly. Mie Goreng is a beloved dish for people of all ages in Malaysia. From children to grandparents, it's a favorite that transcends generations, making it a true Malaysian comfort food. Spices like belacan, shrimp paste, and sambal, chili paste, infuse the dish with an exciting and complex taste. Mie Goreng has gained international recognition and is not limited to Malaysia alone. You can find it in Malaysian restaurants around the world, making it a globally appreciated dish. In Malaysia, Mie Goreng is known as an excellent hangover cure. Its spicy and flavorful profile, combined with its hearty ingredients, is believed to revive those who may have had a bit too much fun the night before. Penang's Mie Goreng Mamak includes a special sweet and spicy sauce, while Mie Goreng Penang is known for its use of fresh prawns and tamarind for a tangy twist. Chinese culinary elements have played a significant role in the creation of Mie Goreng. Ingredients like soy sauce and noodles, introduced by Chinese immigrants, have become integral to this beloved Malaysian dish. When enjoying mie goreng in Malaysia, it's common to pair it with a classic Malaysian drink called teh tarik. This sweet and frothy pulled tea complements the spicy noodles, creating a perfect harmony of flavors. In some traditional mie goreng recipes, you'll find hand-pulled noodles. These noodles are made from scratch, and the process of pulling and stretching the dough requires exceptional skill and expertise. Mie goreng often takes center stage during Malaysian cultural celebrations and special occasions. It's a dish that brings people together and symbolizes unity and shared joy.